This video will help you with the steps to consumer registration on the PM Surya Ghar portal. Click on Login and navigate to Consumer Login. Enter your mobile number. Enter CAPTCHA for verification. Select this checkbox to agree to the scheme guidelines. Click on the Verify button. Enter the OTP received on your mobile phone. Click on the Login button to go to the next step. You will be asked some basic details. Start by entering your name. Next, enter your email address. Click on the Get OTP button in order to receive OTP on your email. Enter the OTP received on your email. And click on Verify to verify your email ID. Enter your address for communication. Select your state from the list. Select your district from the list. Enter your PIN code. Click on the Save button. You will be asked whether you want the vendor to fill the application on your behalf. And if you select Yes on the screen, you will be asked to select the vendor. You will see a list of vendors operating in your location. You can click on Shortlist Vendor button to show interest in a particular vendor. You would be able to view the ratings and number of installations done by any vendor on this screen. You can click on Select Vendor to choose the vendor you want to go with. Once you click on Select Vendor, you are asked for confirmation. Click on Yes to go with the selected vendor. You will receive a success message. Click OK to close. If you choose to fill in the application yourself, you can proceed by clicking on My Application section. Click on the Apply for Solar Roof Installation button. Select from the list of states where you want to install solar rooftop. Select district from the list. Select your electricity distribution company from the list. Enter your consumer account number. Click on Fetch Details to get details of your electricity connection. View the details, and if these are correct and belong to you, click on Next to proceed. You will be taken to the next screen. Start by selecting your gender. Select the location type. Choose whether your location is rural or urban. In case of rural, choose development block or taluka from the list. Select village panchayat from the LST. In case of urban, choose the urban local body name. Choose if anyone from the list who helped you in filling the application. Enter VLE code if you selected CSC or village panchayat in the previous field. Enter the reference code if you selected others in the previous field. Click on Electricity Distribution Company Details to expand this section and view the details of your connection. Click on Solar Rooftop Details to expand this section. Select Residence category from the list. You can choose between Resident or Resident Welfare Association. Enter your proposed solar plant capacity. You need to enter the longitude and latitude of your location. Enter your proposed solar plant capacity. You can do that by clicking on Pick from Map. Enter your proposed solar plant capacity. This will open the map of your district. You can enter your address in the box to navigate to your location on the map. Make your selection to record the longitude and latitude of your location by clicking on the Submit button. Click on Solar Rooftop Calculator. This will open a separate window to show the ROI of installing a solar rooftop on your house. This video covered the steps required for consumer registration.